Hi viewers, I hope you're doing really great with your cooking. Today I'm here to share with you my chili cheese naan recipe. It's simply delicious. Let me know in the comment box below if you can actually see all that details of that crispiness from the bottom, and from the top it's super soft, inside is covered with full of flavors. You must definitely give it a try. I promise it will be worth it. So let's just get on with the recipe. Add 2 cups of flour in a bowl. Half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and finally a half teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. And once you're done with the mixing, then add the wet ingredients in the same bowl. 50 ml of warm milk. If you just took the milk out from the fridge, then make sure you put that in the microwave for 20 seconds. Now add 2 tablespoons of normal temperature yogurt. Let's give it a quick mix. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil. Give it a quick mix again. Now I'm going to use my hand to mix it and gradually add warm water to make a soft dough. This step shouldn't take more than 5 to 7 minutes because we're not actually looking for a perfect dough. Now once you finish kneading the dough, make sure you grease all around it so that this will actually help the texture of the dough consistent. Next, cover the dough with cling film, and this will completely prevent the dough from drying, and then let it rest for about 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and the dough is ready, so let's divide this into 4 portions. I will be making 2 cheese naan, so I will need 2 doughs for each one. You can make your cheese naan in whichever shape that you desire. You can go for round, oval, or even triangle. However, I'm going for an oval shape. For the filling, I'm using this pack, which is from Morrison's, and this is a spicy 4 cheese mix. If you don't have Morrison's near your house, then try in Asda, Tesco, Lidl, or any other supermarkets. I'm sure that you'll find something similar. Just in case if you don't find one, then definitely sprinkle some chili flakes on top and that will do the job. Anyways, just to be clear, I'm not sponsored for any of the brands that I'm going to be using in this video. Once you have placed the cheese in the middle of the base, make sure you add some water all around the edges, so when you place the other base on top of it, it will be sealed perfectly. Equally join the edges together, and you can also use your fingers and slightly press it so that it will be perfectly secured so the cheese can't come out. Now I'm going to use a rolling pin and roll it again on both sides so the cheese will be set inside really well. As you can see, my cheese naan is actually ready to go in a hot tawa. Now I'm going to put some water on the naan, and the reason for doing this is You will actually find out soon. Anyways, now let's move on to the cooking process. Make sure the tawa is really hot and then place the naan on the tawa. Make sure the water side is facing down. Now use the fork to poke some dots on top of the naan. This will make sure the naan cooks evenly inside. So can you actually tell the reason why I had to put the water on the naan? If you can't, it's fine, don't worry, I'll tell you. So basically it's to make sure that cheese naan is not falling off when you flip the tawa. This is actually a really quick process. As you can see, the naan is already puffing up and it also has started to become golden brownish. Bear this in mind that it's really important to make sure that you keep about 1 to 2 inches of gap between the flame and the naan. Otherwise, if it's too close to the flame, it can get burned really quick. Anyways, my naan is perfectly cooked and I'm really satisfied how it turned out. So now I'm going to turn the flame off, and I'm really sorry about the banging noise. This tawa is quite heavy to carry, so that's why it's a bit difficult for me. Anyways, I'm going to finish this off by brushing some butter on top just to give it a nice glaze. Now let's take this baby out from the tawa because I cannot wait no more. Can you actually tell how crispy it is from the bottom? It's so perfect, just like restaurant style. So this is the end of this chili cheese naan recipe. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're visiting new to my channel, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel. I will be coming back with new videos. The next one I'm going to upload is going to be Eid vlog, and I will be showing you my makeup tutorial and my dress up and food. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Make sure you follow me on social media as well, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. All these names are going to be available at the end of the video. Take care and stay safe. I will see you guys soon.